and welcome to a discussion on the Pythagorean Theorem. For this video, we're going to talk about the right triangle, where we denote the legs, or the shorter sides, of the triangles A and B, and we let the hypotenuse, or the largest side, and the side that is across from the 90-degree angle. Notice that it's directly across from this box, denoting that that is a 90-degree angle. So C will always be largest, with A and B being smaller, and these follow, for every right triangle, the Pythagorean theorem as a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So let's look at some examples where we have to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the unknown side of the right triangle, give an exact answer, and 2 decimal place approximation. Alright, so look at number 1 right here. We see right there is going to be our 90-degree angle, because it is where 2 legs instead of the hypotenuse meet. 2 legs meet. So directly across from that is going to be our hypotenuse. We can call that C. So following our formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, let's plug in our values. For a, let's plug in 7 as one of the legs. Let's let b be 5 as another one of the legs. And we're solving for c squared. Okay, so for this, let's simplify. 7 squared is 49, plus 5 squared is 25, equals c squared. Okay, if we add those together, we get 74 equals c squared. Now for an exact answer, we take the square root to free c squared, leaving us with c is equal to the square root of 74. And if we plug that in a calculator and get a 2 decimal approximation, we see that 74, square root of 74 is approximate to 8.60. Okay, if we look at number 2, we can see our 90-degree angle is right here because it is where the 2 legs meet. We can refer to this as A and B and C. So if we use our formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we know that we're solving for a plus b, which is 3 in this case, squared equals the c squared, which is 6. So let's solve. A squared as it is, plus 3 squared is 9, equals 6 squared is 36. To solve for a, let's subtract 9 first to get a squared by itself. So we have a squared equals 36 minus 9, which is 27. Now to get a by itself, you want to take the square root of both sides. So a is equal to the square root of 27, or if we punch that in our calculator, the square root of 27 is approximate to approximate 5.20.